Remember our vending machine example looked like this. Had some buttons and a dispenser, and you could press one of the buttons, maybe A, B, C, or D. Each letter corresponds to a button, and then you can get some kind of output like T, R, S, V. So a button corresponds to a snack or a beverage. For example, let's say you press button A, maybe that'll give you beverage R. And the vending machine is the function. So this is the notation we use. We say the function f of A equals R. So in this case, the blue stuff is the domain. Those are the possible inputs. And the purple stuff is the range, the possible outputs. So let's write that down. Domain, inputs, and range, outputs. So let's look at a function f of x equals x plus 2. So you can plug in any real number here. There's no division or square roots to worry about, and I'll explain what I mean by that in a moment. So that means the domain is all real numbers. Domain, all reals. And then the range, since we're just adding 2, that just shifts everything up by 2. The outputs can also be any real number. If you want to test that, just think of a number, and you think, how can I get that number by adding 2 to it? Well, you just pick some number that's 2 less than that. So domain and range are both all real numbers. So let's look at a different example. F of x equals x squared. So again, we can plug in any real number here, and we're just going to square it. That's fine. There's nothing wrong with that. But how about the range? Well, let's think about this. Since we're squaring x, we can't get any negative results. How can you get a negative number by squaring something? Yeah, you can't do that. So the range here, we're going to say the output, let's call the output y. It's greater than or equal to 0. Because 0 is the smallest number you can get by squaring something. Alright, hope this was helpful. Give me a like and follow for more. Thanks for watching.